is present. I am going to talk about Tirupur Kumaran. I am Tirupur Kumaran or Kodikathu Kumaran. I was born on October 4, 1904 in Chennai. My parents' name is Nachimuthu Garbai. I am young freedom fighter. I was inspired by Gandhi's principles. I founded Desabandhu Association. I fought against the British. In 1932, there was a protest in Tirupur against the British in Noyal River. Police attacked me but did not get the national flag. Don't touch the ground. He was died on January 11, 1932. Stamp was issued by post office for his 100th birthday anniversary. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Wow.